Hi, this is Gaurav pursuing bachelor degree in Pratyush Institute of Technology, Chennai. Being a Microsoft student partner includes a lot of benefits, exposures in the universities, training, free Microsoft software, reference materials, data, direct interaction with Microsoft and more. Microsoft student partner is a great way for the students to get involved in the world of technology services during their studies. Student partners are given access to the latest Microsoft software, development tools, and reference materials, industry events, and training opportunities. MSPs are assumed to further share the knowledge among the academic community by arranging courses, giving presentations, and lectures. Let's come to the features of Windows 8. The Windows 8 Start menu is customizable through a mosaic of tiles, which differ from traditional desktop icons by letting live information from Windows 8 Metro style apps without actually accessing the apps. Snap multitasking is another feature of Windows 8. Snap multitasking is designed to make it easy to run two applications in Windows 8 side by side, to resize them or to switch between them. On the right hand side of the screen, you can snap an application into any place. Beyond revamping the Windows Task Manager, Microsoft has also redesigned the control panel for Windows 8. New options include personalized, users wireless, notification, general, privacy, search, and share. Thanks for watching this video.